To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Hi, I didn't see you there. Welcome back, detectives. I am so excited for today because today I heard we get to get on a boat. Have you ever been on a boat before? I have, and I'm so excited. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's get in our boat. Stepping into our boat. Okay, hold on tight. Ready, set, go. Whoa, this is a bumpy boat. Oh my goodness. We're here. Whew. Thank goodness. That was a fast boat ride. Now, for our mystery, we have to call out. Do you remember who? You do? Okay, ready? Sound monster, sound monster, sound monster. Hi, sound monster. You look a little wet. I am. I was chasing Nina the Narwhal. Nina the Narwhal? Yeah, Nina the Narwhal stole one of our letters. Oh no. What do we need to do? We have to read the story I found. She said that if we can find the sound in the story, we can find the missing letter. Let's get started. All right, let's see here. Let's read our story. Every time you hear I want you to hit your hand like this. Ready? Nina the Narwhal nibbled on neon-colored nuts and noodles. It made her horn glow and light up the night sky. Did you do a lot? Oh, that was a lot of sounds. I see something. We found our letter. This is the letter N. Can you say N? N, that's its name. Can you say N? N, that's its name. Its sound says What are your lips doing? What are your lips doing? Mine kind of come and spread out. They're not touching. It's almost like I'm smiling. What's our tongue doing? Ooh, my tongue goes to the very top of my mouth. What are my teeth doing? Ooh, my teeth are kind of separated. What's my voice box doing? It vibrates. Let's see if this song or if this letter can go on forever. Ready? That one goes on forever. Let's practice my action so that we get really good at it for our song. Ready? This is how it goes. N, nut, Ready? Your turn. N, nut, Let's try it by ourselves. Ready? Let's try it together. N, nut, Now you're ready for our song.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, A. T, table, T. S, snake, S. P, pig, N, nut,
This one just has a tall bear and a short bear. This is uppercase N. Can you say uppercase N? Way to go. Can you say lowercase n? Lowercase n. I'm going to let you choose the voice that you want to do to say our uppercase and lowercase n. Are you ready? Did you think of a voice? Okay, I'm going to use a witch's voice. Ready? Uppercase N, lowercase n. Can you say it by yourself? Way to go. Do you think you can help me to sort my uppercase and lowercase n's?
uppercase N, uppercase N, uppercase N, uppercase N, uppercase N, lowercase n, lowercase n, lowercase n, lowercase n, lowercase n. We are going to practice writing. You know what that means. We're going to sing our song and we're going to get our magical wands ready. When I write my letters, start at the top, at the top. When I write my letters, start at the top, at the top. When I write my letters, practice makes it better. When I write my letters, start at the top. We are going to write uppercase N and lowercase n. Uppercase N starts at the top. He's going to start at the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Pick up my pencil. Across to the grass line. Up to the skyline. Let's do it one more time. He's going to start at the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Pick up my pencil. Across to the grass line. Up to the skyline. That was uppercase N. Let's do lowercase n. Lowercase n is going to start at the mountain line. That's your dotted line. Pick up your pencil or your magical wand, and you are going to start at the mountain line. Go down to the grass line, back up to the mountain line, and down to the grass line. Let's do it one more time. Start at the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, down to the grass line. You've got it. I'm going to tell you a word and I want you to tap the sounds for the word on your Sound Monster mat. Say Sam. Tap the sounds. Did you say s, a, m? Say pass. Tap the sounds. Did you say p, a, s? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds and I want you to say the word by sliding your Sound Monster across your board. S, a, b. Did you say sab? That's a silly word. S, a, d. Did you say said? You have learned all about the letter N. Can you do this page on your own? We just finished talking about the letter N. If you finish that page on your own or with an adult and you're ready to move on, you can color in the letter N on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.